Now we will see application of Newton's second law. Everyone is aware about Newton's second law, that is F is equal to ma, or you can say the force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. In F equal to ma, F is the force, m is the mass and a is the acceleration. We will see its application. The problem is, if the crest of the hill has a radius of curvature r equal to 60 meter, determine the maximum constant speed at which the car can travel over it without leaving the surface of the road. The car has weight of 175 kilonewton. Refer this figure. This is nothing but the crest of hill. This is a car moving on this crest. The radius of curvature rho is equal to 60 meter. It is given. Now, when it is at the top, you can see the weight of the car is balanced by the force mv square upon r. So these two forces are equal in equilibrium. So simply, therefore, mv square upon r equal to weight of the car mg. So here the V max is nothing but get cancel. So V max equal to under root of Rg. R is known to you, that is nothing but radius of curvature 60 meter into G value 9.81. It is in under root. So you will get maximum velocity equal to 24.26 meter per second. There is one note, that is F equal to ma. This is Newton's second law of motion. This F is replaced by resultant force. You can see it as summation F also. Summation F equal to ma. So it is for number of forces and R is in the direction of motion. Okay. So in other way you can write R plus minus of ma equal to 0, where this ma is the inertia force. It is also called as D'Alembert's principle, but this D'Alembert's principle is not there for syllabus. But you can consider this as the application of Newton's second law of motion. Thank you.